How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the Riding Dad channel, or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Chris, and this is my 2020 Harley-Davidson Lowrider S. Cue that intro.
Riding Dad YouTube channel, it's the Riding Dad YouTube channel, it's the Riding Dad YouTube channel, it's the Riding Dad. A thing that you found.
Alright, so this video is just a very brief summary of everything I have, cosmetic and performance-based, everything I have done to this bike, because when this video drops, I will be on my motorcycle trip. We're going to be hitting a myriad of roads, including the Tail of the Dragon. Hopefully going to get some really good footage for that. At the end of that, when I come back over the next month or two, I'm going to be wind up at least recording. I'm not sure when they're going to air, but recording a bunch of review videos, because that is going to be my trip to test some of the stuff that I have not been able to put just tons of hours behind before I feel comfortable putting a review out for the general population. Of my opinion, I want to put a lot of time behind that product so I can 100%, you know, tell if it's actually good or not. The first 20 minutes of using a product is the honeymoon phase. Even the first sometimes month or two, it really takes a long time to vet how they are. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab you guys. I'm gonna try to do it top to bottom, left to right, the same way we read, and just walk through everything. And keep in mind, most of, if not almost every single, I think there's only one or two things that as of this video dropping do not have an install video, but almost everything else can be found in the Lowrider Build Series playlist that I have on my channel. I will also, at the end of every video, there's a link to that, not a link, but like a little, you know, the display box highlighting that. So if you hang around to the end, you can always click on that and see every install video for the most part that I have. Some are coming after this video. I'm just trying to rush and get a whole bunch of stuff done before I leave for my trip. So let's do it. Alrighty, so starting from the front, I have Lucky Speed Shop levers. They're black shorty levers with the triggers. I have these smoke covers that are just general Amazon cheaper ones. And these are the Moons MC V2 LED inserts. Stock fairing, stock light, stock wheels. I do have the paint that I did a video on as well, that I painted the Harley-Davidson logo on. Coming up here, I do have a RAM mount. I have the dual ball mount, so I can mount a GoPro or something else. Usually I'll do a GoPro on that if I want to do that kind of style. And then I have my large size mount for the expert mount for my XS Max iPhone. I have Arlen Ness. I can't remember the name of these. There is an install video on these, but I do have the Arlen Ness grips. They're black knurled grips. I think that's actually what they're called, with the black end cap. This is the stock bar and stock clamp setup. However, the risers that came stock were 4-inch straight risers. These are drag specialties, 6-inch with a pullback, but the bar and the clamp and everything is stock. Stock mirrors, DynoJet Power Vision for my tuning stuff. I have a Thrash and Supply small little bag, which I love. Coming down here, we have a Saddlemen Step Up with the white stitching all around and the lattice stitch. And I have the FXR Division FXR replica style saddlebags that I have wrapped in a black. I'm doing a video on these, an extended review pretty soon, and I will explain to you how the wrap came out. It came out really good. You can still kind of tell it's a wrap when you get close, but I mean, for the price difference that you're gonna get from a wrap to paint, well worth the money, but enough of that. I do have, right now I have the quick detach from Harley in between them. I have a Custom Dynamics lay down license plate. I have a Moons MC V2 taillight with integrated turn signals. This is the stock bezel that I wrapped black on my own. I have a Saddlemen thumb screw for the seat. I have the Russ Wehrmont Designs RWD RS1 monoshock that I just released a video on. I have the Flow Motorsports. I can't remember what these are. I think they're just the only pegs they have for the 2018 and up Softail platform. But I got these pegs. Then I have the shifter, and I'll show you the brake on the other side, but I also have the shifter arm and the brake arm as well. So let's show you that. There's that. On this side, obviously I have the stock air cleaner for the 114, but I have a TBR Comp S installed on here in black. And my latest install is going to be this Bung King crash bar. And this is the high version of the crash bar, and I had some of this grip tape lying around, and I put this on twofold: one, so I don't scratch anything up while I put my feet up, and two, so my feet stay here more comfortably and they're not slipping around on the highway. Alright guys, so that is my bike. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, multiple videos on all the install stuff I did. Some reviews, but most of the reviews are coming after I have time to really vet all the stuff I have installed. And as of this video dropping, I will be in North Carolina, Tennessee, Georgia area doing some sweet riding, and some videos will be following this. So please, if you are interested in any of that, if you're interested in the bike, if you just like the way I look and talk, please do hit that subscribe button for me. Please give this video a thumbs up, all videos thumbs up. Check out my other stuff. Upload every Friday night. The timing is a little bit different, but it's generally between 7 to 9 p.m. every single Friday. I'm on a good schedule. So I appreciate you just stopping by. Let me know what you think of the bike. And until next time, ride safe, have fun, Dad out.